Okay, hello my intelligent students. Today we are studying chapter 1 and it's about talking about self. Di sesi pertama ini kita akan membahas tentang the basic concept in talking about self. The basic concept atau konsep dasar in talking about self mencakup 3 hal. Yang pertama itu things to talk in talking about self, and then the second introducing yourself, and then the third introducing other people. Let's see the things to talk in talking about self. In talking about self, there are several points that can we share to other people. Di sini ada beberapa hal yang bisa kita share atau kita beritahu kepada orang lain. Apa saja? Let's see. The first is this about name. So my intelligent student, kalau mau memperkenalkan diri kita wajib menyebutkan yes, very good, name ya. This is the first. And then the second, age. Usia kalian berapa, and then the third, address. We can divide it into two parts. The first, asalnya dari mana atau asli orang mana, and then the second, tinggal di mana. And then the fourth is occupation. What is occupation? Yes, very good. Pekerjaan. Are you a teacher, a student, a farmer, and etc. Okay, next, hobby, and then the last, family. Jadi setelah kita bahas pembahasan yang pertama, selanjutnya kita bahas pembahasan yang kedua, yaitu introducing yourself. Jadi di sini kita akan mengajari kalian how to introduce yourself to other people. Expression atau ungkapan yang kita gunakan apa saja? Let's see. The first, my name is, and then you can also use I am, and then the second, you can call me, ini nama panggilan, and then I am blah 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 years old, I'm 16 years old, and then I was born in and I was born on. That's the difference. I was born in and I was born on. Kalau I was born itu adalah tempat lahir kita, place of our birth. Okay, and then I was born itu tanggal lahir kita, date of our birth. For example, I was born in Medan. I was born on January 26, 1998. That's the example. Next, about address. I'm originally from, asalnya dari mana, and then I now live in, tempat tinggalnya sekarang di mana. For example, I'm originally from Bandung, but now I live in Tanjung Merawa. Like that. Okay, next, I am this is the occupation ya. I'm a student, I'm a teacher, I'm a farmer, I'm a student in SMA Metodis Tanjung Merawa. Okay, and then my hobby is studying. What is your hobby? Okay, next. Sebelum memperkenalkan diri, biasanya kan apa yang kita katakan nih? Kita minta izin dulu kepada orang tersebut supaya lebih sopan, more polite. Jadi ungkapan atau expression yang kita gunakan itu adalah, let's see. The first, hello, let me to introduce myself. Hi, I would like to introduce myself. Dan allow me to introduce myself. Jadi ketiga ungkapan tersebut maknanya sama, meminta izin untuk memperkenalkan diri kita kepada orang lain. Jadi supaya tidak bingung, di sini misalkan memberikan contoh. Hello, let me to introduce myself. My name is Tio Rizka Purba. You can call me Miss Tio, and I'm 22 years old. I was born in January 26, 1998. I was born in Dolok Sanggul, but now I live in Methodist environment, and I'm originally from Dolok Sanggul. I'm a teacher. My hobby is reading a book, and then I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. Next, that's the example about other people. For example, his or her name is. Jadi kalau misalnya dia laki-laki bilangnya his name is. Kalau misalnya dia perempuan, her name is. For example, his name is Boy, her name is Cynthia, like that. And then the second, you can call his boy, you can call her Cynthia. Next, he is blah 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 years old, she is blah 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 years old. Next, she was born in, and then she was born on. Jadi tadi Miss sudah menjelaskan was born in bedanya dengan born on. Next, she is originally from, and he is now live in. Ini menjelaskan tentang address. Next, she is this is about occupation. Are you a student? Yeah. So if you was a student, if she is a student in SMA Tanjung Merawa. And then his or her hobby is, and then last, she has blah 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 brother and sister. Jadi ekspresi yang digunakan terlebih dahulu sebelum kita memperkenalkan orang lain itu adalah the first. Let me to introduce you to blah blah blah. Let me introduce you to Andre. I would like to introduce my friend to you. I would like you to meet blah blah blah. Jadi bagaimana sih respon kita setelah ada orang yang memperkenalkan dirinya kepada kita? Expression used when someone have introduced themselves. The first you say, nice to meet you, nice to meet you, happy to meet you, happy to meet you too, like that. Jadi artinya sama ya, sama-sama senang berjumpa denganmu gitu. Jadi setelah selesai ngobrol, untuk mengakhiri bisa pakai ekspresi ini. Expression used when you close the conversation of your introduction with someone. You can say, let's see, goodbye, and then bye, and then see you. Okay, you can use all of these expressions. Okay, my intelligent students, that's enough for our lesson today. See you on the next section, yeah, still on the chapter 1, talking about self. If you have question, you can ask me, and thank you.